Yo, what's up, guys? Really appreciate you all for tuning back in. Yo, what is up, everyone? Really appreciate you all for tuning back in today. Yeah, let's say. What a great day today. We will be going over a lot of trades. Obviously, yes, before tuning into my live stream, just remember, guys, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So please, before you tune in, guys and gals, know, not financial advice. Do your own research. But what a, what a great day today that we had inside of the Discord. We did end up catching a couple good trades. And yes, I will be going pretty much over everything. Yo, Goat, what's up, bro? How are you, man? Yo, Scuba, I'm up there with you, bro. So LOY, yeah, let's look at that. That'll be the first one I look at after, you know, we go over SPY and the Qs, of course. So yeah, LOY, we definitely go over that. Yo, what's up, yo? Appreciate you guys for tuning in. So yes, we did have BA, and we also had BA. Those went absolutely wild. And we had empty space that we were targeting, and we took it to the upside. So I do want to go over my thought process, but please, guys and gals, remember, not financial advice, entertainment, education only. So yeah, let's go to the Qs really quickly. Obviously, it does look like, personally, okay. Let's see. Alright, so for this one, what I see here, and same exact thing, I look for the same trade each and every day. It doesn't matter what time frame. And let's see right here. So yes, same thing here. This is what I'm seeing. Clear. Alright. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, there's a top wall, and also there's a bottom wall here. And this is an area of consolidation. And if we do end up breaking above this wall, so yes, we're basically trading from one box to the next box, of course. So if we end up breaking, there's also another wall here. I would love for it, you know, to tap into this clear empty space, even though it's not the biggest empty space here. Still looks pretty decent. Yo, what's up? Man, honestly, bro, BP hit the first take profit, but did give some trouble. And DLTR, man, actually wild. So, what a great day, man. What a great day. So yeah, as you can see, what is this? We have the empty space here. And yes, we can zoom in. Obviously, yes, guys, not financial advice. Please do your own research. So yes, do your own research, not financial advice. Let's go, let's go. Shout out to Sky Guy. Dude, man, what a great day in the Discord, man. As you can see, what is this top wall that we need to break? This 463, we have empty space here. But yes, this is still not the biggest empty space. But there are still candles with no consolidation. Obviously, what are we doing? We are consolidating. Oh, look what just happened. So yeah, voice just cracked is fine. So yeah, we had try to have a break over this wall here. And sellers, so yes, sellers are controlling the top, and buyers are controlling the bottom. So sellers took control of this level here. So we need buyers to step in. But if we can't, then yes, we would end up going down. But yeah, as of right now, we are consolidating. There's nothing for us to do. So yes, do your own research, not financial advice. So yeah, let me go over. So let me see what SPY is talking about here. So same thing. Does look like we are trotting up a bit. That I can clearly see. There is empty space up to here. What I was pretty much waiting for. Yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. What I personally saw here was a clear, easy move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. Boom. Yes. All of these green candles. And what I was waiting for was a break underneath this wall. And as you can see, no, we did not get this break. We obviously ended up going above us. So in the future, I would definitely love for this empty space to appeal to the downside. Obviously, I have a wall here. So yes, Potter box. We have a top wall, body candle there. And also for the bottom wall, two body candles there closing directly at the same line. So yeah, I would just definitely wait on that. Obviously, yes, not telling you guys to buy anything. So no. There is no entry. You all have to do your own research, of course. So that is on SPY. Let's keep on going. Let's do LOY really quickly. I got you, Go. No worries, no worries. So yeah, let's see what the damage is here. Man, what a day! What a crazy, crazy day. All right, what am I seeing here? Maybe we'll go down to a lower time frame and try to break this one down. Possibly a 4-hour. All right, I do like this 4-hour. For the downside, this is what I'm seeing. Yes, I do see the upside as well. 1 second there. Make sure you guys can actually see that. All right, cool. So same thing here. What am I looking for? Empty space, Potter boxes each and every day. I don't change anything. Boom, clear, easy move up of this big red, or 2 big green candles with no red candles interfering. And yes, this is exactly what I would want to the downside. Obviously, we would need a top wall and a bottom wall, so there's just no entry right now. There's nothing for us to do whatsoever. But, yes. But yeah, I did see the empty space on the upside. I'm not even going to lie to you, but looks like the downside is a little bit closer. Bottom wall, body candle, and also a body wick. So yes, 2 points of contact here. We break down from this level. I don't see any resistance to this green candle here, this red candle, which looks very good as well. Yo, Houston Daniels, what's up, what's up? Yeah, let me look at, yeah, Hood, H-O-D, yeah, no worries. H-O-D. Perfect, yeah, we can definitely look at that. But man, what do we do in the Discord? The Discord was fire today. Obviously, yes, guys, do your own research, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research, so no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. But we're just going over what we did today, and today was absolutely crazy. So yes, we had BABA, and yes, we did. This was what, yesterday. Hold on. You can see BABA, and then we also had BA as well. We had a clear move down. We ended up, so yes, we end up swing trading in my Discord. We mainly look at the 24-hour. At the last hour, we end up swinging trades. Obviously, not financial advice. You have to do your own research. And this is what I saw yesterday. Obviously, I did call it yesterday, but so we're just going basically over it with examples. So no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. But personally, I saw a clear move down of a big red candle, and we did have a break over my wall here. And as you can see, BABA ended up targeting to the upside. As you can see, as well as BA. So what happened here? We had a clear, easy move down. So yes, this had no consolidation here, and this is exactly what I wanted to the upside. And as you can see, there was a wall that we needed to break above. So you've seen a body wick, and also a body candle closing directly at the same line. And all that we needed, guys, was a break over the wall. So as you can see, from yesterday to today, we broke over my wall, and boom, we ended up targeting to the upside. Absolutely wild. And yes, DLTR as well. This was a trade that was from, what, Thursday of last week? So yeah, same thing here. We had this clear, easy move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. Boom. We broke over my level, my wall last week. We ended up going up to the upside. And as you can see, yeah, right now. So my thought process on this, and no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. This play is done. You have to do your own research. I'm only going over the Potter box and how I personally utilize it. So yes, please do your own research. But yeah, this one right here, this one, it took a minute, so it took a couple days for this, but I do want to go over it. And there's still a lot of empty space there. So what did I see here? So the first thing that I clearly saw, and we can go ahead and get rid of this because we already know that this was what it looked like before. So the first things first, we've seen a clear, easy move down. All these red candles with no green candles interfering. This was our empty space. So this has no consolidation. So wherever I see down, I definitely want to take it up. But we needed a wall here. So there was a top wall that I saw. So top wall, bottom wall here as well. And these are points of contact. And I'm going, oh, not going to do that. So these are points of contact. As you can see, we have 1 wick, 2 wicks, and 3 wicks closing at the same line. We did end up breaking outside of that level. And I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom. Obviously, yes, this could be another Potter box, another wall. Yo, hey, Spot Guy, what's up, dude? Yeah, I can do Walmart. So BAC, yeah, I got to do Hood. BAC, you guys wanted to see, let's see. Walmart and the Qs. So WMC, QQQ. Man, what a crazy day for the Discord. Honestly, crazy week. It's only Wednesday too. So yes, we still have end of day swings. As you can see, we did end up touching or coming very close to my imbalance there. That ended up going wild. So yeah, let's keep going. Let's look at Hood. So I got you, Houston Daniels. So yeah, Hood. Let's see. So HOD. All right. So let me go ahead and remove these drawings. And actually, let's see. Actually, no, yeah, I'll remove them. So 24-hour time frame. Let's go there. Yo, Shannon, what's up? What's up? Yeah, let's look at Costco. Let me make sure the Discord is fine. I think they're doing okay. I think they're doing good today. But let me, I just gotta check all that good stuff. Yeah, we're doing good. We're striving, all that, I think the other night the free chat was going insane. I don't even know what happened. All right, so for HOD, let's look on a 4-hour. Yeah, we can go to a lower time frame. Break this one down. All right, so yeah, same thing here. It does look like. All right. Yeah, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. And yes, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You all can join in. Obviously, yes, do your own research, not financial advice. But yes, if you want to join the free Discord, links in the bio. We have a VIP Discord where we give out signals. We do have that discount code going until today. Or, I mean, you don't have to even do any of that. I'm live every day as well. But man, this looked really good. Hold on. So there's a top wall here, and I'm doing this box a little differently. So yes, top wall. What am I seeing? I saw body candle closing the same line. Can you teach me stop loss and yeah, no worries. I will do it on a different stock other than this one. So let's look at another example after this. I could definitely go over it. Yeah, no worries. So yes, top wall, bottom wall there. What do we see? We see from one box to the next box. Obviously, this trade is pretty much done. We did hit our imbalance. As you guys and gals can see, we broke over our level, targeting into this empty space, and we saw this clear move down first, and then you can see this box, we broke over it, and up to the empty space to the upside. But yeah, hold on, give me a second, let me rehydrate. Oh wait, hold on, give me 1 second, I'll be right back, give me 1 second. Yo, I'm back, guys. Really appreciate it. My bad, I had to take some medicine. But yo, shout out to Potter Stocks for pulling up PBS and P. Yo, yes sir, yes sir. Thank you so much, guys. And yes, we're using the Potter Box. Make sure to go give Potter Stocks his flowers. Give him a follow. We're using the Potter Box right now. Yo, thank you so much for the diamond gun. Man, I'm not gonna lie, that scared the crap out of me, man. I wasn't expecting a noise. But shout out to Potter Stocks. Everyone will give him a follow as well. Great guy, great trader. I'm pretty sure he caught a couple good trades, a couple good swings. Dude, man, we had what, BA, and we also had BA, and a little bit of Dollar Tree as well, man. You can see that Potter Box right here. Obviously, yes, guys, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So please, guys, remember, not financial advice. Obviously, BA. So you can see that yesterday. See, clear. Move down. We did end up going above. Obviously, BA had earnings, so this was more of a lotto play, but boom, that happened. And DLTR was a trade from what, Thursday of last week, and then boom, that ended up happening. So yeah, happy day, man. Dude, fire, man. Dude, I didn't even look at IWM or Nike, bro. IWM and Nike. Honestly, I should look at Nike. Let's see what happened. What did he say? Why is it no one's? Yeah, dude. Yeah, we gotta definitely do a stream together. Obviously, Once I get my webcam back, you know. VKTX. Yeah, let me look at that as well. VKTX. Let's do it. So yeah, no worries. So LOY, this is what I'm seeing here. We have this clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. And this is exactly what I want to the downside. Dude, honestly, anything could help, man. But yeah, I don't know why. I have to, you know, still record on my phone. Still, you know, they don't like me, I guess. It's fine. But yes, guys, just remember, not financial advice. Do your own research, of course. All right, so SPY. Looks like we are coming down right now. Let's keep on going to, so I got to do Walmart. So WMT. Let's see what Walmart's talking about. Let's start fresh here. Let's see. Let's go to a 24-hour time frame. All right, so this 24-hour, this is what I'm waiting for. Yes, there is empty space here, but there is also empty space up to here. Honestly, I could do this on a 4-hour, 24-hour. That 4-hour does look very decent, though. So, yeah, same thing here. Yo, Megs, thanks for liking the live. Really appreciate it, you tuning in once again. All right. PBX, Potterbox. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Shout out to Foreign Trades for pulling up. Really appreciate it. 1 second here. All right, so same thing. What am I seeing here? I'm looking for empty space in Potter boxes each and every day. Doesn't matter. Yo, thanks for the Dizzy Bird. Really appreciate it. I'm in the garden right now, so as you can see, clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And this is exactly what I want to the upside. Obviously, this is our Potter box, our empty space that we like. So top wall here and also a bottom wall here. That looks really good. Obviously, yes, you could end up doing another wall like this here and there, but I do like this top wall that I'm seeing here on the 4-hour. And I'm looking at points of contact. Yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. And AMD, yo, my guy, how are you, man? So yeah, AMD, let's do it. All right, so what is this? Clear move down of this big red candle. So this is called our empty space that we would want to take to the upside. We have a top wall and also a bottom wall we need to break. And as you can see, this level here, you know, buyers are at the bottom. So buyer's job is to push price up and seller's job is to push price down. And yes, what do we have here? Body candle, and a body wick closing directly at the same line. And right now, we need a break and candle closure above that level in order for us to target to the empty space above. So let's just say if we do end up breaking above this level, where is the resistance? I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom here. Obviously, yes, you could have an early trim here, but I want the full recent move. Obviously, yes, guys, not telling you guys to buy anything, not financial advice, so you have to do your own research. Yo, Ashlyn, what's up? What's up? Venomable Savage, thanks for the follow. Yeah, I can do BAC for you. Yeah, no worries. Man, what a great day. What a great day. Definitely enjoying it today. So yeah, we had a couple good swings. Yes, you know, I definitely want to find some day trades, but personally, if we don't, I'm just going to wait for some more swings end of day. Worked out great. So as you can see, first take profit would still be the middle of the move, and this is the imbalance. This is where price can typically end up reversing. Obviously, what are we doing now? We are down here. We are in consolidation. Well, it looks like we're kind of this is consolidation. We're in consolidation. I don't want to trade this at all. Nothing. And yes, you guys have to do your own research. Not telling you guys to buy anything. Nothing at all. Can you do this with SPY? Yes, I can do it with SPY. Yeah, no worries. So after we go over BAC, we can do SPY. Yeah, no worries. Thanks for pulling up to the live stream. Really appreciate it. And yes, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You all can join, or you don't. I mean, you don't have to, but yeah. If you want to see the work that we do, I wish I could show you what we did today, but I can't. You all have to do your own research, not financial advice. So please do your own research, of course. But if you do want to see what the type of work that we do, you can go look at the games page. You can look at the testimonials, all that good stuff, and you will see. Absolutely wild. Yo, thank you for trades. Really appreciate it. Thanks for the follows, Energy. Really appreciate it. And Aaron, thanks for the follows. Megs, thanks for liking the live. Really appreciate it. All right, so yeah, BAC. So a lot of members did end up holding this one. This was a trade from like last week. And what do we have here? And I think we did this on a lower time frame, like a 4 hour. All right, so same thing here. Yes. Yes, sir. Shout out to you, my guy. Hope you're having a good one today, man. All right, so yeah, this is what we saw here. And this looked absolutely amazing. This looked really good. This clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And this is exactly what I wanted to the upside. So where there is no consolidation, that's exactly what I'm targeting. Obviously, yes, this play is done. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. You all have to do your own research, not financial advice. So please do your own research. Obviously, yes, I know I'm saying that a lot, but you all have to understand. All right, so top wall, bottom wall here. What are we seeing? So we are seeing points of contact. So, yes, top wall, bottom wall. We see where price is having a hard time getting over. Body candle here. Also, with this bottom, body candle here, closing directly at the same line. If we do end up breaking above this level here, so this level is 38.28, I don't see any resistance, guys, until, boom, this 40.66. Obviously, you know, this play is already done. We already tapped into the empty space. You can see that we did end up, hold on. We did end up basically breaking over this level into the empty space. As you can see, we did have a candle closure, but right now I definitely don't want to take this trade at all. Obviously, yes, what is this here? So this is also another, well, that's actually a pretty good box. So yes, top wall, there's also a bottom wall here. This is an area of consolidation. So no, we don't want to trade inside of consolidation. We want to trade to consolidation. So this is also another wall there. So boom, from one box to the next box. And we're targeting where there are candles with no consolidation. And that's just pretty much it. Obviously, yes, this trade is done. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research before doing any of that. So yes, let's go to SPY now. And honestly, we've been hitting SPY the last couple of weeks. It's been, well, SPY on the Qs as well. But yeah, let's break this down and let's go to a, so, you know, obviously we can go to a higher time frame. Yo, Ashley, yeah, no worries. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Obviously, you can, you know, ask the chat too in the Discord. All right, hold on. I'm almost out of water. Oh, whoa, I just spilled some water again. Just not on camera this time. All right, hold on, give me a second. All right, yeah, let's get straight to it. This is what I'm seeing here. Hopefully I get my webcam back, so, you know, you guys could have probably saw that, but it's cool. But anyways, 24-hour charts, I don't see anything that I like, so let's go down to, I usually go down to a 4-hour, but I did see the 4-hour, and, you know, definitely just don't want to take nothing there. Alright, so, same thing here. Let's go to a, what, even a 1-hour, 30-minute chart is fine. Actually, you know what? This is what I'm seeing, this is what I'm waiting for, this looks really good. And yes, I can look through and see if there's empty space. If you see all this is consolidation, I don't care about it. This is empty space here, but over here, let's look. What is this right here that we are seeing? We see this. First thing that really caught my eye was this clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And what are we seeing? So a top wall and also a bottom wall here. So top wall and also a bottom with no consolidation in between, or no consolidation in the empty space. And this top wall that I'm seeing here, this is a level where these candles are having a very hard time getting over. And if we do get over it, so body candle, I don't see any resistance, guys. And so boom, this green candle here. So yes, this is also obviously, you know, I don't want to draw big boxes like this, but yes, from one area of consolidation to the next area of consolidation, that's exactly what we are targeting. Where are we at right now? So we are clearly consolidating. We'll spread this out, you know, whatever. Show where the box is. So yes, we're clearly consolidating. There's just nothing for us to do. If we end up breaking above, my first take profit will always be, guys, the middle of the move. And that is from my entry to my exit, the literal middle. Looks absolutely fire. So right now, what are we going to do? Nothing. So yes, nothing. There's no trades. There's nothing for us to do. Please do your own research as well. Not financial advice. So yes, if you are just joining in, just make sure you guys know, not financial advice, not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research. Obviously, yes, we are consolidating. There's just nothing that I would want to take, because if we're in consolidation, you have to understand this. Like, this is where contracts are going to, decay. I don't want to be consolidated. You can see SPY really did nothing. I'm trying to look for a move where there's nothing to stop us, which is there. Looks very, very amazing. Looks pretty fire. Yo, Logic and Foreign Trades, thanks for the likes, guys. Really appreciate it. And everyone else that's liking, really appreciate it. All right, so that was on SPY. Let's go to a different trade. Let's go to, honestly, let's see what Tesla's doing. Let me see what, all right, yeah, it looks like we're still consolidating here. SPY on the 34-hour. Dude, honestly, that's a challenge, right? SPY on the 34-hour chart. You know what? I'm not even gonna do it. It's fine. But I definitely could do it on any time frame, any chart as well. Let me see what Nike's talking about here. NKE. All right, so wow. Honestly, Nike still looks pretty decent. Looks pretty good still. Obviously, what am I seeing here? I'm seeing. Is there a 34? I'm pretty sure you can just add an interval. Honestly, let me see. Oh, interval is too big. Please try again. I guess I can't. Only the 24 hours available. Which is fine. I don't want to trade on the 34-hour chart, But yeah, MSCR, I can definitely go over that as well. Google is, dude, Miguel, what's up, dude? Yeah. Google, let's look at that. And also MSTR, yeah, I'm writing all this down, so no worries. Writing all this down. And yes, if you guys want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have a free chat. We also have the VIP chat. This is what we did just today. Obviously not financial advice. Please do your own research. You can see we had BABA. So yesterday, BABA and also BA and a couple other ones as well. Let's look at this. Clear move down. Yesterday, we had a break over this wall here. And I'm targeting empty space. And we go up and gap. We go up and fill it. As you see, BA was looking for calls there. Clear move down of no consolidation. And this is exactly what I'm targeting to the upside. Boom. We go up and tap. So yes, same thing. Obviously, DLTR. What do we have? This is all on Thursday, by the way. Boom, we had a clear move up. We went up and tapped. So yeah, obviously, yes, not financial advice. I'm only going over the charts and how I personally utilize Potterbox. So nothing else. Not telling you guys to buy anything. Yeah, I'll definitely have to look at Google. Yo, my guy, how are you? How are you, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. Hope you're having a blessed one. Actually, hold on. Let me make sure the VIP chat, they're striving. Make sure they're doing good. All right, yeah, we're good. We're good. We're all striving. We're all doing amazing. So yeah, let's keep on going. So for Nike, this is what I have here. This does look pretty good. Looks pretty fire. Let's go ahead and break this one down once again. So the same thing I seen here. And yes, these boxes that I draw aren't just random boxes. We can't just, end up drawing something random. We have to end up drawing, things with points of contact. And we'll go over it as well. So yes, clear, easy move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And all that I'm pretty much waiting for is a break over my top level. So yes, we have a bottom wall. We also have a top wall as well. 1 second here, 1 second. Yo, thanks for all the likes. Really appreciate it. Yo, 5,000 likes. You guys and gals are going crazy right now. So yes, top wall. Bottom wall here as well. What are we seeing? We see points of contact. So the top wall, so this is where price is having a hard time getting over. As you can see, sellers are controlling this top floor. And let's look. Body wick and body candle closing directly at the same line. We end up, or if we do end up breaking and having a candle closure above this wall here, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this next area of consolidation. So no, we aren't trading inside of consolidation. We're trading to consolidation. Obviously, yes, we tried to go over, I think, some people did have this as well, but not me though. We didn't end up breaking above this level here. And what did sellers do? Sellers rejected price because they know they are still in control. But we need buyers to step in and have a candle body closure above this level. But right now, there's just nothing for us to do. We are in consolidation, so we're going to wait. There's no entry note. Not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. But yeah, that does look pretty good at some point in time as well. Let's see. Let's keep on going. Why would you buy it? Then they missed on the earnings and revenue. They said it went profitable this year. I buy Tesla. He said at like $50. Got blocked by a guru for asking for his P&L instead of posting a prediction after it happened. Oh man, that's crazy, bro. That's wild. All right, so anyways, Nike. Let's see. We did that. VKTX. Let's see. VKTX. We'll go over that as well. I stopped looking at these and more charting. Yeah, I got you, Go. No worries. Oh, dude. Honestly, did I go over this earlier? I'm not sure if I did. Isn't that what you do, bro? What do I do? Let me know, what do I do? I'm not sure the question you're asking. But yes, what do we see here? Clear, easy move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And once we do end up breaking above the level of wall, so I wish this was a better wall. Well, let's see if there's a lower time frame. So honestly, yeah, that that 24-hour does look pretty good. This does look bad. 25% gain on. Dude, fire, man. Keep up the great work. So yeah, same thing here. This is what we have. And yes, this move looks like it's already pretty much happened. As you can see, what do we have here? Top wall. We also have this bottom wall here as well. We do have clear empty space. That looks really good. I want to see your P&L, bro, not a prediction post after it happened. Okay, that's fine. Obviously, I can't show you anything. I can't show any numbers on here anyways, even if I wanted to. But yeah, if you guys want to see the, my gains page, what we did today, I mean, that's pretty much enough. Obviously, this week as well, last week, the week before that, you all can see as well. So honestly, it did end up touching this imbalance right here. So yes, this imbalance was end up touched, and as you can see, what do we have here? You think we're charting just for? Yeah, we're not charting just for fun. I'm not on here charting just because it's fun for me. No, not at all. Either my plays are going to work or they're not. So yes, I have break-even stop losses or minimal stop losses, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, look at my gains page if you want to see the work that we do. And no, I cannot show you anything. You all have to do your own research, not financial advice. But yes, if you want to see what we did just today, go look at my gains page. Ask the members. I proved myself enough. But anyways, we'll keep on going. We have, we did end up touching the imbalance. And if we're close to the imbalance, that's something that I don't want to take at all, because that's my first take profit. Obviously, I would just end up skipping this one as well. But yeah, that does look pretty good. Still has a little bit of move for the runners, but we'll just have to see. So that was on VKTX. Let's keep on going. Let me make sure the VIP chat, let me make sure they're all good. Let me make sure that, yeah, we're all good. Yeah, we're chilling. Yeah, we're good. All right. Yo, Kevin, thanks so much for joining in. Almost 6,000 likes. You guys and gals are going crazy right now. Let's keep going. So, Nike, we did that. Let's see what Google's talking about. So yeah, I think someone did want Google, so we'll definitely do that as well. Tesla shouldn't pass 160. Yeah, I'll definitely take a look back at that. 1 second here. TSLL, or not Tesla. TSLA, yeah, perfect. Oh, 260. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll definitely take a look at it. I don't even know what number it's at right now. Oh man, that water's good. Thoughts on the video? Yo, Alex, what's up, man? How are you, man? Yeah, honestly, did I even look at? I didn't even know if I looked at the video on this live stream. But yeah, we'll definitely take a look at the video. No worries. So let's see here. All right, dang, I will be honest. Looks like I may have missed this one, but anyways, let's go over it. Honestly, okay. I see 2 possible entries on this. Let's go to a, okay, this 1 hour looks really good. So yes, this is what I'm seeing here. It does look like this is clearly a top wall and also a bottom wall as well. Dude, honestly, yeah, it was a great day for sure. Yeah, keep up the great work, man. But yeah, we caught a couple good plays, and we did a couple swings as well. Ended up working out great. So honestly, yes, empty space here. That looks pretty good. Obviously, a reliable trend could be definitely be here, but yes, looks like we are trying to toy into this empty space. But I don't want to end up taking that position. Let's see. 1 second. Yeah, that 1 day does look pretty fire. So above that, 159 area does look pretty good. For a smaller time frame trade. So let's go to a 1 hour. And yes, guys, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research. Obviously, I'm only going over the stocks and how I personally utilize this trading strategy. So only going for examples. Yo, mister, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So yes, guys, please make sure you guys and gals know, not financial advice. Thank you so much. And let's look at this. What are we seeing? We see a clear, easy move up of all these green candles, or this big green candle, with no red candles interfering. Yo, Juan, what's up? Yeah, let me check out Amazon. Yeah, no worries. So I'm writing all this down, by the way. AM. Oh, dude, I might have to get a new pen. All right, cool. We're good. We're good. All right. What do we see here? This doesn't look that bad. So yes, we have a top wall here. We have a bottom wall here. And as you can see, boom. Yo, DOW. Yeah, no worries, man. I got you. Yeah, no worries. We can definitely do that too. Appreciate you guys for being patient. Yes, I have like a whole list, by the way, that I do have to go over. And just look at some more trades. Obviously, yes, what do we see here? Clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. All that I'm waiting for is a break underneath this level, and I would love to target to where I see resistance, which is down here. Obviously, what are we doing now? We are we aren't even in the box right now, so this is more of a punchback. But right now, there's just nothing for me to do except for wait. And I'm waiting for this empty space. Obviously, my first take profit would still be the middle of the move, from the entry to the exit, the literal middle. And that looks pretty fire. So right now, what am I going to do here? Absolutely nothing but wait. And yes, I do all these trades the same way. I don't change anything at all. So yeah, that was on what? Google. Let's go to a different one as well. You guys want to see NVIDIA, Amazon, and DOW. So yeah, let me do DOW first. I got you, man. So yeah, 24-hour time frame. Honestly, okay, yeah, that doesn't look bad at all, man. So what are we seeing here? Honestly, I wish this was a better top wall. Let's see what a 12-hour can look like. All right, yeah, same thing here. I wish this was a better wall here, so this one would be, a little more lighter if we end up getting it. But as of right now, there's nothing for us to do except for wait. We do have, what is this? This brush here, clear move down of no consolidation. And this is exactly what I want to the upside. Yo, thanks so much. Really appreciate it. Great stuff. Yo, I'm gonna pin your comment. Yo, Miguel, keep it up, man. Keep it up. Hold on. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. we go. I'm back, guys. Really appreciate it. I am back right now. Appreciate everyone for sticking by. Let's see. All right, let's see what this is talking about here. Oh, did not mean to do that. So yeah, same thing here. What do we have? And yes, guys, please remember, before you tune in, not financial advice. Please do your own research. Always do your own research, of course. So I see the clear empty space move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering, and this is exactly what I want to the upside. Obviously, top wall, bottom wall. I don't really like this top wall here, but I wish this was like more point of contact. Maybe by today it ends up closing at the same level. That would be great, but we'll just have to see. But right now, what is this? We have empty space. We have a top wall, and let's just say we do end up breaking above there. I don't see any resistance, guys. And so boom, this green candle here, and that looks pretty fire. Obviously, yes, it's on a 24-hour chart, so I get into my trades at the end of the day, so the last hour before market close. And I know it sounds crazy. It's like, why would you get into trades right when the market is about to close? It's because I like to swing trade, and most of our trades are swings at the end of the day. Yes, we have some day trades, but mainly it's going to be the swing trades at the end of the day. But yeah, as you can see, that was on DOW. Let's go to a different time frame, a different one as well. Let's see this right now. So Dow, let's see, EPS, AMZN. Oh, dude, yeah, let's see what Amazon's doing. So Amazon, let's see what this is. Oh, dude, almost clicked on the wrong one here. All right, yeah, we're good. So lower time frame. Not gonna lie, that lower time frame looks good. So yes, we had this clear move up, all these green candles, right? And we did end up, so we did end up missing the move onto the upside, or at least I did. But this is what I'm seeing here now. I see beauty. Honestly, I do like that. Yeah, I'll stick it on like the 4 hour. So 4 hours. So same thing here. This is what I'm seeing. That looks really good. Obviously, yes, there is a lot of empty space up here. So from there to there, there's empty space there. But this is what I'm currently seeing right now. Pokemon week so far. Dude, I know, man. Absolutely wild. What a crazy week this week. It was a crazy good week, of course. But yes, we had this clear, easy move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. And what we needed was a break, or what we need is a top wall and a bottom wall. So right now, we have the empty space that we would love to take to the downside, but there's just no box. So we would need a top wall, bottom wall here somewhere. So yes, maybe in the next couple of days, if structure forms, we could possibly take it to the downside. Obviously, right now, there's nothing for us to do. Not financial advice. Please do your own research. But yeah, we'll just have to see how that ends up. Hopefully in the next couple of days, we build some structure. So yeah, we'll see. Why so much movement today? Honestly, we did have a lot of news. We had some, earnings plays as well. So, but yeah, they moved right to my target. So, yeah, this is what we had today. Obviously, I can't show anything else except for the charts. And as you can see, this is what we had. So I called this out in the VIP chat. I had Amazon and Apple puts from last week, so I was really happy to see this today. Shout out to Leah, yo, fire. So yes, clear move down. We end up breaking above a wall. We went up and tapped. One second. What ended up happening to Netflix after? Yeah, I'll definitely take a look at Netflix. Yo, thanks for the follows, really appreciate it. Thanks for sharing the live. So this is what we had here, and yes, call this out in the Discord. If you want to see the type of work that we do, go to the games page and you can see. Obviously, I can't show you. I can only show you an example of the charts. So yes, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But yeah, as you can see, this is what we had here. We had this clear move down of this big red candle, and yes, at the end of the day, so yes, this is why we swing trade. And the main reason we swing trade is because market moves after hours, but it also lines up as, a lot of people are busy, a lot of people in my Discord are busy, they can't be on the charts every day looking for a day trade because day trades, happen randomly at random times. at least for these setups. But at the end of the day, the last hour is when we get together and we find trades, and we either get into them and either they work or they don't. Obviously, as you can see, BA, we ended up touching that. We also had BA. I see this clear move down, all of these red candles. I see a top wall that we need to break. Body wick, body candle. We end up breaking above it. We go up and tap. So I'm looking for the same play each day. And yes, all these trades look alike, right? So clear move down, we went it up. Same thing, clear move down. Same thing with DLTR. So what is this? So yes, and this is on a weekly chart. And yes, we just like to swing trades on a weekly chart, the 24-hour chart, and that's just pretty much it. Obviously, yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. So please, before you do anything, do your own research, of course. I'm only going over the charts and how I get into trades, but that's pretty much it. Clear move down. We do end up breaking above a level. We go up a tap. So this is before, after. That ended up working out. So, and HOD actually went wild. So yeah, let me look at Netflix. Let me see what the damage was for that. Let's see what that is. So it looks like it did end up going up. I may see something here. Give me 1 second. Oh, Netflix doesn't look that bad here. And let's go over this. Obviously, it looks like we're on a clear uptrend right now. But at some point in time, what am I seeing? I'm seeing beauty. And this is what I'm looking at. So let's see. Beautiful, beautiful chart. We have a clear, easy move up. And this is an area of no consolidation. Obviously what is this? These candles are consolidating in between each other. What is this? This is another area of consolidation. And what interests me, obviously, you have a top wall there. We also have a bottom wall here. And as you can see, what is that? We have body candle, body wick closing directly at the same line. And if we do end up breaking below that wall, so yes, body wick, body candle, and this is where, you know, buyers are controlling the price. So yes, buyers control this bottom floor, and sellers control the top floor. Seller's job is to keep price pushing down. Buyer's job is to keep price pushing up. And as you can see, we did go down into this level here, and price ended up rejecting. Obviously, yes, first take profit would still be where I see resistance, and I don't see any resistance until down here. Obviously, if you want to make, you know, it a little bit easier on yourself, this is also another area of consolidation. So yes, right now, what are we doing? We are consolidating. There is absolutely nothing for us to do except for wait. Charts are in red, yeah. So I pretty much is going to wait for the end of day swings. See a lot of these trades kind of being stagnant or, you know, going, you know, back and forth pretty much. So let me actually see if we have any news today. Obviously, yes, you all know about the imbalance. This is our first take profit, so that imbalance is there from the middle of the entry to the exit. Obviously, let's see. So what, 23rd? I mean, we have a little bit, nothing like crazy. Let's see. The 24th for tomorrow. So we have unemployment claims. We have FOMC member speaks. So we have a little bit of there. Nothing like, you know, too crazy, but yeah, unemployment claims we'll definitely have to see with that. Yo, thanks for the gift. Really appreciate it. Shout out to Richard as well. Thank you all so much. Check Bojangles. Dude, does Bojangles have a stock? I don't think so. Dude, I don't even. Honestly, that would be great. Yeah, just a few. But yes, guys, if you want to join the free Discord, link is in the bio. If you want to see the work that we do, also, you know, link in the bio for the free Discord. You can see the game space, testimonials, ask from members. You know, everyone there is pretty cool. We do have a discount going that will be ending today for the VIP. That's where we give out signals, all that good stuff. So yes, everything link in the bio. Honestly, bro, if I see a chart, I could chart on any time frame. I could chart on any day. I could do a crypto. I could do what? I could do Bitcoin if I wanted to. It doesn't matter. So even this, let's go. And I do see something here. Like I could, you know, it works on all time frames. This is what I'm seeing. So same thing here. I look for the same thing. Doesn't matter if it's anything else. And no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research, of course. I think, you know, if you trade Bitcoin futures, but I don't think they have options. But let's look. What am I seeing? So same thing here. Clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. We have a top wall and a bottom wall that, you know, so buyers are controlling this level and sellers controlling that level. We end up breaking below that. I don't see any resistance. Till here, yes, first take profit will still be in the middle of the move. Obviously, we would still need to break underneath, but right now, as you can see, not bad. But yes, not telling you guys to buy anything. Please do your own research, not financial advice. I'm only going over examples, so please do your own research. Yeah, thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. Yo, now thanks for the follow, thank you. So smaller time frames are better for day trade and higher. So yes, that's exactly perfectly. So if I end up trading on a, let's say, so if I take a day trade, I'm taking a day trade on a, you know, a 1 hour, possibly 2 hour, 30-minute, you know, so on and so forth. But if I swing trade, I would definitely swing trade on a higher time frame as the weekly chart, the 24-hour chart, and also the the 4 hour. So those looked, you know, pretty amazing. Yo, thank you so much. Thanks for the follows. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. And yes, guys, you know, we have the same energy here as we do inside of the live and the Discord, and everyone here is pretty cool. So honestly, yes, we do have a VIP, but you can join the free version, see how you like it. We have a lot of information in there as well. Yeah, no worries, Money Bags. Appreciate you all tuning in. So yeah, let's look at 1 second here. What, NVDA? Oh, dude, I didn't even go over NVDA, did I? Actually, I think I did. So yes, what do we have here? And same exact thing. And yes, guys, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. And yes, I do have a discount code going for VIP. Just DM me for that, or look in the free chat, or you know, just watch my lives. I'm live every day. All right, yes, this is what we had here. We had, I think we did this on a 4 hour. So yes, we had a clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And what did we see? We had a bottom wall. So bottom wall, body candle, and also a top wall. So points of contact that is struggling to get over this price. What ended up happening? We ended up breaking above this level, going up and tapping into my final take profit. Where did we reject? My final take profit. Obviously, I could break this down even more. We could do it on replay mode. It doesn't matter. And yes, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over examples. Obviously, I would not want to trade NVIDIA because that move already happened. 1 second here. Oh my gosh. My bad. I had to crack my back. But anyways, yeah. As you can see, what is this? Top wall. So 2 top walls. So body candle, body candle. What do we have above us? We have empty space. And empty space basically just means candles where there is no consolidation. If we end up breaking and having a candle closure above that wall, I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom, this green candle here. And yes, that's it. Obviously, yes, this white line gives me early entries and my exits, all that good stuff. I'm not just drawing random boxes and just calling it a day. No, you have to make sure your boxes are correct. If you draw the wrong boxes, you can end up being a disaster. But anyways, yes, not financial advice. Only going over trades here. So yes, please do your own research. As you can see, what happens here? We're targeting the empty space, and right now we're consolidating in between these 2 levels. I don't want to do anything. We ended up breaking above, and as you can see, that ended up happening there. Yeah, so I never want to trade inside of consolidation. If I'm trading inside of consolidation, it may be on a lower time frame, but I like for the bigger move, the bigger picture. And yes, you can see what the type of work that we do inside of the Discord. I wish I could show you here, but I can't. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So that was on the video. Obviously, yes, is there empty space here? Currently. Alright, so you know what? I may say something. It looks like we're tagging to this empty space below, but yeah, same thing. Doesn't matter. Same thing here, guys. What is this? And you know, this is very self-explanatory. This, you know, just lines up for me at least. So we have a clear empty space move down, that we would love to take to the upside. We have a top wall. We also have this bottom wall. That looked really good. Yes, what is this? Points of contact, body candle and body candle. 2 points of contact or more, that's going to be my best friend. Obviously, we end up breaking above that level. I don't see any resistance, guys, until this green candle here. So what is in the middle? An area of no consolidation. What is this? An area of consolidation. So we don't want to trade from one box. We don't want to trade inside the wall. So where are we at? We are currently consolidating in between this box. Obviously, there's a little bit of empty space here. But we want to trade from one box to the next box. And that's pretty much it. That's how I do all my trades each and every day. Yo, Catherine, thanks for liking the live. Really appreciate it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Obviously, my first take profit would still be the middle of the move. And that middle of this move is the imbalance. This is where price can typically end up reversing. So same thing for BP. We caught BP, obviously, earlier. Look what happened here. So yes, this was a trade that we did end up catching yesterday into today. What happened? We ended up breaking above the wall. We went up and tapped into my imbalance. Obviously, my final take profit was up here, as you can see. So from my entry to my exit, the middle of the move was my imbalance. This is where price can typically end up reversing. This is why we take most profits there. And look what happened. We ended up dropping. Obviously, the other trades that we took earlier, BABA, same thing here. We ended up almost to my final take profit, but the imbalance was very, very strong. We ended up rejecting under there. BA, though, hit my final take profit, and this was another swing as well. So clear move down. This is what I'm looking for. With no consolidation, we end up breaking above consolidation. So, and yes, you guys can see this as well. So BA, this was BABA. You can see we were just above my consolidation at the end of the day. And then, as you can see, oh, that's BABA, hold on. So BA, you can see we were still inside of the wall here. And there's just no entry if we're in consolidation. We end up breaking above this wall here. We ended up targeting. So same exact thing. Obviously, yes, not financial advice. Please do your own research. You all have to do your own research, of course. Not financial advice. And yes, if you're in my VIP Discord, I will be in there last hour giving swing entries, just as we did yesterday. Still looking for some more. I see a couple of day trading plays, but we'll just have to see. So I want to go back to SPY really quickly. Let's see what the damage is here. Oh, that doesn't look bad. That doesn't look bad at all. Not bad at all. Once I join, dude, no worries, man. I appreciate you even being in the live stream, even being in the Discord. You know, really appreciate it. But yeah, you're doing good, man. You're doing amazing. So keep it up. Top wall, bottom wall here. We have box there. We also have another box here. We have the empty space. Boom. I'm targeting empty space each and every time. Looks like we are trying to look at call spaces right now and see if we can get a push under there. But yes, we still have empty space. That looks really good. Let me see what the Qs are doing. But yes, guys, not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. Not financial advice, of course. So the Qs look pretty much, everything's the same. Obviously, look what happened here. Sellers gain control. So as we were talking about earlier, what was this? And yes, guys, please do your own research. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, of course. So what do we see here? We saw this clear empty space move up. We had a top wall that needed to be broken. As you can see, what happened? We tapped it perfectly. Oh, hold on. We tapped it perfectly, and sellers were still in control of this floor. So there was just nothing for us to do at that point, except for just wait. But yeah, a lot of these trades still do look pretty good. Not bad at all. So hold on, let me see what SPY is doing again. Oh, SPY is looking pretty good. Looking pretty tempting. A lot of these are looking tempting. Obviously, yes, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So yes, please do your own research, of course. And yes, if you're in my VIP Discord, I will be in there last hour, so giving swing trades again. But yeah, we'll just see. Well, yeah, actually crazy. We had a crazy day inside the Discord. It was actually wild. But yes, I will be getting off now. I really appreciate you all for tuning back in. Please make sure to do your own research, not financial advice. If you guys do want to join my Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat. Hit me up for a discount code. That code will be ending today. So either DM me for that, or you can find that in the free chat as well. But yes, have a blessed one, guys. I will be back on live a little bit later. In Jesus' name, amen. See you all soon. Thank you all.